Today I will be discussing the Metal Company's range of spiral weld fittings. These fittings are designed to be used with spiral weld tube from sizes 8" right up to 12". Spiral welded tube is measured according to the internal diameter, which means the right fittings must be used. These fittings are commonly used in applications such as HVAC and refrigeration, liquid transfer, wastewater and irrigation. Spiral weld fittings have a mill finish and are also stocked in 3 or 4 grade stainless steel. Due to the internal weld bead, spiral weld fittings and tube are not suitable for hygienic use. The Metal Company stock a range of fittings to suit spiral welded tube. This includes 45° and 90° bends, T's, reducers, caps, saddle clamps, flanges and accessories. The T's are available as both an equal pull T or a reducing T. The reducing T features a reduced port which suits to dairy tube, except for the 12" by 10" which suits spiral welded tube. The reducers feature flat spots at either end of the reducer to enable easier welding. Concentric reducers have the smaller diameter centered to the larger diameter, while eccentric reducers are offset, so one side of the reducer is flat. The caps are used to finish off a pipe run and are available in pressed or flat. Pressed end caps offer a stronger finish due to the arching of the pressed dome. We also stock spiral weld neck rings. These are welded to the end of a pipe and are used with a backing flange. These can easily be moved into place before being bolted together. Our spiral weld flange range includes Table E, PN16 and ANSI 150 in sizes 8" right through to 12". We only stock saddle clamps in our spiral weld clamp range as the hinge clamp is too small for the application. Aside from the standard range, the Metal Company can source or manufacture various spiral welded tube and fittings within New Zealand or internationally. Options available on Indent include spiral weld fittings in stainless steel grade 316 and spiral weld fittings in sizes up to 24". If you have any questions on spiral weld fittings or anything else, please get in touch with the crew at the Metal Company because we make buying stainless steel easy.